Gold has always won over fiat currency in the battle between currency and money. Gold always revalues itself. The currencies of today are backed by nothing but hot air, and this gives way for inflation. With inflation, everything becomes more valuable except currency. Fiat currencies are actually designed to lose value, and gold has outpaced inflation every time. Now it is possible to prosper financially from the lessons we have learned in the past and apply them to the future. History has shown us how those who held on to gold has been rewarded many times over. Today, gold is still the undefeated heavyweight world champion of the world. For many people, investing in gold is an alien environment, and 99% of the world's population have no desire to learn about gold or any interest in gold whatsoever. But let me introduce you to Karatbars International. I will share with you how you can experience exponential growth with Karatbars. Karatbars is a company based out of Stuttgart, Germany, and we specialize in distributing currency-grade gold, the purest form of gold on the market. 24 karat gold, 999.9 LBMA certified gold. We have free storage or fast delivery via FedEx. Karatbars have made it so that every household can acquire gold. There's no banker or broker fees involved. You can acquire gold 1 gram at a time. We are not asking you to purchase anything, we're asking you to save. By trading a portion of your declining money into gold money, it's a win-win situation. It's a win-win situation because it's an inflation-proof strategy that allows you an inflation-free household. It only takes a couple of minutes to register, and you can register for a free account either as an affiliate or a customer. As an affiliate, you get your very own website. Immediately after registration, you purchase a package. As a package owner, there are 7 different streams of income. Your choice of package determines your earning power. You can generate a tremendous income as a package owner, and you can watch your team grow and receive residual income and Karatbars rewards saving, not spending. You receive a debit MasterCard from the company with your commissions paid out weekly. Save a gram of gold every week and refer others to do the same. You're changing paper money from one pocket into gold money in the other pocket. And as history has shown us, it is the wisest financial decision you can possibly make. Welcome to Karatbars.